In this video, we're going to show you how to fix the context too long error appearing on the first message in Claude Code. Normally, a context length error occurs after a conversation becomes very large. However, some users encounter a context too long message immediately when sending their very first prompt. This can be confusing because there appears to be no previous conversation that could have filled the context window. In many cases, the issue is caused by large project files being loaded automatically, oversized instructions stored in project configuration files, imported conversation history, or extremely large prompts being sent with the first request. The good news is that this problem can usually be resolved by reducing the amount of information being loaded when the session starts. By the end of this video, you'll learn several practical methods to identify the source of the issue and get Claude Code working normally again. So let's get started. The first method is to check the size of your initial prompt. If you're pasting large documents, entire code bases, multiple files, or lengthy project descriptions into your first message, try reducing the amount of content. Instead of sending everything at once, provide only the files or sections that are directly relevant to your current task. This often resolves the issue immediately. If the problem continues, review any project-specific configuration files. Some setups automatically load project instructions, documentation, or context files when Claude Code starts. If these files are extremely large, they may consume a significant portion of the available context before you even send a message. Try temporarily simplifying those files and then test again. Another useful step is to start with a clean workspace. Open a smaller project or create a new test folder and launch Claude Code there. If the error disappears, the issue is likely related to the project context being loaded automatically rather than the application itself. You should also verify that you're running the latest version of Claude Code. Software updates often include fixes for context management and loading behavior. After updating, restart the application and test the workflow again. In most situations, these methods will help identify and resolve the problem. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, reduce the size of your initial prompt and avoid sending excessive information at once. Second, review project configuration files and automatically loaded instructions. And third, test with a clean workspace and ensure Claude Code is fully updated. Remember that a context length error on the first message is usually caused by information that is being loaded before your conversation even begins. Identifying and reducing that hidden context is often the fastest way to solve the issue. It's also a good practice to keep project instructions concise and only include information that is truly necessary for Claude to perform its task. Smaller and more focused project context generally leads to better performance, faster responses, and fewer context-related errors. And that's how to fix the context too long error appearing on the first message in Claude Code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude Code feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.